Meet Singlecue, the first gesture-controlled device that lets you interact with your TV, entertainment, and even smart home devices with a simple wave of your finger. Using advanced sensing technology, Singlecue tracks your simple finger movement in the air, letting you flip through channels, control volume, and do much more in an exciting new way. With Singlecue, the TV set, cable box, and other media devices you already have become smarter.
Hi.
If you're using a media streamer, Singlecue offers fast and fun control over content. It's freedom at your fingertip. Singlecue will even allow you to control smart home devices, such as smart lights and thermostats, with a flick of your hand. It's an amazing new way to control your home. Even setup is easy. Just plug in the electric cord, download the app, add the devices you own, and let Singlecue connect and control these devices wirelessly.
Alexa, stop the music.
Hey, seriously? So, this is UV Genie. It's more than just a great speaker. Okay, watch this. Alexa, turn on the coffee machine.
Okay.
Genie helps me feel like I'm living in the future. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
And helps me not to panic at the little things. Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Okay.
UV Genie even keeps me out of trouble. Alexa, what's on my calendar tomorrow?
Tomorrow you have your wedding anniversary.
What? Oh.
Genie teaches me new things every day. Alexa, how many calories are there in a cake?
Cake contains 358 calories per 100 grams.
Even though sometimes it's not exactly what I want to hear. Alexa, what's the weather today?
At Venice Beach, there is a 99% chance of rain.
Oh, well. Thanks for the heads up, Genie. And for everything else.
Introducing the all-new LaserBeam Pro. LaserBeam Pro connects conveniently to both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and even has a built-in web browser for web surfing and presentations on the go, and projects an image size up to 150 inches. You can even use it while charging. And because of its truly focus-free operation, the images are always clear and sharp.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus.
Introducing the award-winning Y-Touch Pro, using Bluetooth TENS therapy. It is drug-free and prescription strength. Y-Touch Pro helps you keep working, keep moving, keep driving forward, keep driving fairways, keep active, keep living, and rest well.
What if you could express yourself without limitations? Unity introduces the world's first Velcro backpack. Our unique design allows users the freedom of customization, creativity, and convenience. The Unity team offers custom design options for unique prints on fabric Velcro patches, allowing you to continuously interchange the look of your backpack. One backpack equals unlimited designs. Do you hate carrying your board? Simply peel and apply a pre-cut design onto any skateboard's grip tape, enabling the board to stick onto the face of your backpack. Our industrial strength hook and loop application is designed to hold skateboards, longboards, and even electric boards.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered.
Package delivery.
Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera.
Mission is reinventing cooling. Vaporactive, powered by patented 37.5 technology, is infused with permanently embedded active particles that rapidly attract and remove sweat. Unlike wicking technologies that just move the moisture, 37.5 particles completely evaporate the sweat, keeping you cool and dry so you can maximize peak performance.
Introducing the UpCart Deluxe, the all-terrain folding cart that is up for anything. Now you can effortlessly transport bulky items across difficult pathways, from stairs and curbs to grass and dirt, and do it all in a single trip. Shopping, gardening, and moving furniture or appliances has never been more convenient. Free your hands, eliminate the need for bags, and get heavy items up to 125 pounds into the house with ease. An independent test show UpCart Deluxe reduces the stress of moving objects on stairs by up to 64%. Built to last, the UpCart Deluxe is made from precision cast aluminum, shielded bearings, reinforced nylon, and comes with an adjustable 3-position handle. With Ford low-resistance, super smooth wheels always in contact with the ground, UpCart Deluxe is guaranteed to stay stable and balanced. It even folds flat for easy storage so you can forget it until you need it. The UpCart Deluxe is now fully customizable with the Upgrade multi-purpose bag that comes custom fitted and easily attaches with durable Velcro straps. It also comes with convenient pockets, perfect for smaller items and accessories. Visit upcart.com and get your hands on an UpCart Deluxe today.